Hey everyone, is your smart TV refusing to connect to Wi-Fi? Yeah, that can be super frustrating when you just want to stream. The good news is, most TV Wi-Fi issues are easy to fix. Let's go through the fastest solutions step by step. First, restart both your smart TV and your router. This simple step fixes many temporary connection glitches. Turn off your TV, unplug your router for about 30 seconds, then power everything back on. Next, double check your Wi Fi password. Yeah, even a small typo will prevent connection. Go to network settings on your TV and carefully re enter the password. Now, check your signal strength. You know, if the TV is too far from the router or there are thick walls in between, the connection may fail. Try moving the TV or router closer and test again. If it still won't connect, forget the Wi Fi network and reconnect. I mean, this refreshes the saved network profile. Go to network settings, select your Wi-Fi, choose forget, then connect again. Here's one people often miss. Make sure your TV's date and time are correct. Incorrect time settings can sometimes block internet connections. Set the time to automatic if available. Outdated firmware can also cause Wi-Fi problems. Yeah, go to settings, then support or system update and install any available updates. If nothing works, try resetting the TV's network settings. This clears deeper configuration issues. Look for reset network or reset smart hub in your TV settings. And that's it. Yeah, one of these fixes usually gets your smart TV back online. If this helped, stick around for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.